So you get it in this box right here, and it's kind of heavy. That's actually kind of stout feeling. You get some mounting hardware right there, but I'm not going to do that in this video. Some keys, and you can see they're these safe style keys right there. So we'll just go ahead and take this, set it aside over here, and let me show you what this thing looks like. This right here is the mounting bracket. What you're going to do, you're going to actually screw, well, there's two options. You can just slide this down beside like a nightstand or something like that, which is what I'm going to do, or you can mount this on the wall and have it on the wall, and you can use your biometric, whether it's a fingerprint, your code, or an app to open it, or a key. So there's 4 ways of opening this thing. So let's just put this aside right here. By the way, you are going to have to get 4 AA batteries and put in the back, which I will do that. Let me grab some batteries and then we'll show you what this thing looks like. But first, let's use the key. So to use the key, right here on the bottom, you guys see that right there? You're just going to go like that. And as soon as I turn that key, it's actually kind of spring loaded. If you watch this, y'all see that? There's a spring loaded system, which is pretty darn cool if you ask me. You could see how easily that could hold a firearm down in there. Not going to show a firearm in this video for obvious reasons, but you can see how the barrel goes right down through there, and the back of the butt of the gun will actually go down inside of here. So you could easily grab it and pull it out with no problem. This is all nice and padded, so it's not going to scratch up your firearm or anything like that. Let me go ahead and grab a set of batteries here, put some batteries in here, and show you the keypad working. Okay, so I went ahead and added the 4 AA batteries to the back here. Let me just go over the several ways that you can open this thing. No problem opening up with a key. So you always have the key option. Now, for video purposes, I'm going to use this staple gun right here. So let's say your firearm's down in there like that. You see how it holds it in place. Watch this. Close it up. So I can just do the password. Bam. Got it out right there. Work perfect with password. There is a little blue light that shines too. By the way, there is, if you need to set this, there's a secret button right up under there. I don't mean to hit it, but there's a secret button hidden up under there, and that's how you set your password and you set your biometrics. So if you don't want to do the password, let's do the biometrics. Look how quickly I open it. I opened that with just my finger. Let's do it again. Now, when you do this, you do have to hit it directly, just like with any other fingerprint scanner, has to be perfect. But that works awesome right there. You see that? So that's a cool feature too. Now, the 4th one is going to be the app. Now, the app you're going to download is called Smart Home app. Once you get it all set up, you're going to set it all up. And you're basically just going to kind of go up in this corner, hit add device. You can see new T3 LCD. Watch this, everybody. So I could actually open this for someone if I need to. You guys see that? Watch this again. Works perfectly. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. This is very high quality safe. I think it's going to be one of the better, firearm safes out there that you can get, and it's super solid. It does not feel cheap. It's very well made, and you know what? It's going to protect your firearm from either accidental, like someone messing with it, or stealing it, or anything like that. It keeps it nice and kind of tucked away. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 4-in-1 firearm safe. See you on the next video.